Good morning, crew.
Hi. Hi, people. Hi.
Good morning, people. It is Saturday, August 27th. It is the last show in August. That is wild to think about. The season is quickly coming to an end. Good morning, crew. How are we doing? Issues?
Some brunch.
Nice.
And then we'll be back later at some point when it clears out, grab it.
Okay.
It's not like somebody's gonna wander off with it.
No. I don't think they're gonna give you a hard time. So.
Well, it's been here before.
That's what I mean. So Daniel's not gonna give. So.
Are they doing pizzas and everything now?
Yeah, but he doesn't open till like 11.
Oh, that's what.
And then. Which one of you moved my cone?
I don't know, but he just took. Hi, people. Hi.
I just got it.
Whose is it? Should I give him the dude with the flannel?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if there's any other spots in here or not. If not, there might be over here.
Okay, man. I'm gonna get my kid actually.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh my God. What's up, beautiful?
Dude, what the hell? I thought everybody was gonna be drunk on a boat. You got 1 million people.
I know. What is going on?
Did you interview Hardtop Holly on his Hardtop Camaro? Did Andy come up and call you that yet?
No.
I told him that. I go, call Hardtop Holly. I'm gonna have to use that.
I love
nickname.
hardtops.
That's why we're making fun of you for that.
I like that. Yeah, that's hard. Because he went to get into Berlin.
Just using my petite camera.
I love it.
Haven't been on this side all day. No, you're okay. The sun's trying to get this nice daily driver.
That's right.
You like my daily?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
It's good on gas. What's up, you crazy kids?
Going. Hey, what's up, dude?
How are ya?
Just say we didn't see you right away. Been busy running around here. Huh?
You know what? To be honest, this is the first time I've been on this side today. I've been caught up over there.
Much going on over here.
Yeah, today's a good turnout.
It's a real good day.
Yeah,
I was saying the same thing.
I got here like a touch late at like 7:50, and there was like 25 people already.
Yeah.
I was like, what is going on?
Yeah, I think we pulled up about 8:15, and we've progressively started going a little later and later. But yeah, the whole area was almost filled over here. And we're like, oh fuck, we don't get our normal spots. Luckily, we were able to sneak in. But yeah, this is awesome. There's a lot of new cars and stuff here too. I didn't even notice this wooden thing straight ahead here.
Yeah, that thing is wild.
There's a lot of cool stuff. Or
you like
big ass thing?
That's my new daily.
You know.
Huh? No, you're good.
Just get some frames on it.
You didn't like your industrial thing.
I did like it. I didn't expect it.
Water fog line, a bunch of floors but not floors.
And just like that, we are done. I don't even know how much footage we got on this behind the scenes, but that's okay. It was a great event. I feel like we are back. I'm assuming people are back in school and not traveling, so today was awesome. Probably had over 150 cars show up, a lot of new people, a lot of OGs. We just had a car trouble with somebody's car, couldn't start, but they're on the road. I am headed home. Thank you again, and I will see you in September, which is wild to think about that we are approaching the end of the car season, but we still have, I think, 5 left. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.